There's no more power hole. It's completely gone.
Oh, that's what it was, the power hole.
It's completely gone.
Gone?
Yeah. So it just pulls off.
Yeah, you're still, I mean, I'm obviously, you're pulling away from me.
Yeah.
And I'm redlining it. I'm like, unlock my ECU, bitch!
Welcome back to the channel. As our Toronto 660 in stock form has not been 100% to our liking, we decided to throw some parts at it in hopes to address the issues we had with the bike, rather than just trading it in for something new. One of our biggest dislikes was the power hole at 4,500 RPM that made the bike feel rather lethargic thanks to an ever-increasing emission regulations. We were also not happy with the quick shifter, and the sound, well, it was nothing to write home about. In the end, SC Project with their phenomenal S1 underslung exhaust system came to the rescue, paired with a tune from UpMap, and boy, it did not disappoint. A total transformation of the bike is the only way I can describe it, as the bike is suddenly such a joy to ride. I would even go as far as calling it a mini RSV4. It is really that good in my book. Just look at the full titanium exhaust. What a piece of art! And the Gabro tune, installed via UpMap, is exactly what was needed to address the other mentioned shortcomings. Gone is the power hole at 4,500 RPM, and it pulls now strong through the rev range without any hesitation. The shifts with the quick shifter are very crisp now as well, without any delays that were present before. As a bonus, the integrated turn signals that our friends in Europe get to enjoy are now activated as well, allowing me to deinstall the goofy-looking front turn signals. They looked like an afterthought, so it's a win-win all around. And then there is the sound. Listen to any RSV4 with some kind of aftermarket exhaust, and you will know how intoxicating that signature Aprilia sound is. Well, I don't know how SC Project did it, but this is as close as you will get, at half the price, mind you. Overall, the Toronto is now such a joy to ride, which makes it that much more difficult to choose between it and our other stablemates, which is a good problem to have. Keep it on too. Be safe out there, and we will see you soon. Bye.
It's awesome. I can hear you now. Like, I don't just hear me. I can actually hear you. It's pretty cool.
There's no more power hole. It's completely gone.
Oh, that's what it was, the power hole.
It's completely gone.
Gone?
Yeah. So it just pulls hard.
Yeah, you're still, I mean, I'm obviously, you're pulling away from me. And I'm redlining it. I'm like, unlock my ECU, bitch!